Indiana University researchers are at the forefront of advancements in artificial intelligence. Through collaboration, we're exploring the important questions AI is raising for our society and economy.
My research focuses on how we can improve those interactions between older adults and technology so that they can be better empowered and can better support their health care needs.
My research deals with modeling and simulations of materials and materials processing experiments. This particular Energy Insights project deals with essentially solving the problem of how do we make Indiana manufacturers understand their energy usage better.
My research is focusing on intelligent biomedical systems. For example, we are developing intelligent acoustic patches for treating opioid overdose.
Whether they're developing technologies that can reverse opioid overdoses, reducing carbon emissions in the manufacturing process, or personalizing the healthcare experience for older adults, IU researchers are harnessing the power of AI to improve the quality of life of Hoosiers and people around the world.
You will put a patch on your arm or some other parts of your body. With the sensor and AI detect abnormal physiological parameter change, then it will trigger the acoustic patch to deliver nanoxone into that individual.
What we want is manufacturers are able to understand and analyze their energy usage better. We want to make sure that the analytics applications we produce are affordable, they're accessible, they're user-friendly, and they're ultimately financially rewarding.
We look at things like infrastructure, so if we're building these tools, do we have the infrastructure to actually support them? We talk to older adults with different levels of access to, for example, technology and internet, and seeing how we can rethink how we approach the design of those technologies to support them.
AI will transform nearly every aspect of our lives, and IU researchers are leading the way that we understand and apply AI to move our state, nation, and world forward.